Hi everyone, this is Dimitri Pergamonic with MarketChameleon.com. I wanted to describe really quickly how you could use the earnings calendar in your trading. Of course, earnings is an important event. That's when the company releases earnings and communicates to the investors how well it's been doing. And obviously, that can make the stock move up or down violently in either direction. So especially if you're an options trader and you're looking to capitalize on those moves, then you really want to then you need to know ahead of time when that event is going to occur so you could prepare ahead of time. I'm going to show you how you could use some of these features to help you out with that. And when you come to the earnings calendar, it's defaulted to the present day, and it's going to list to you all the stocks reporting today. If you want to go to the next day, you just select it, and over here you have a number of how many companies have announced that they're going to report earnings that day. If you're looking for a specific stock, you could just come in here, type in the symbol, and just pop open the information for that one symbol. I used Apple as an example. So this is the next announced earnings date. If there's no announcement, we have a projected date, and then you see a history of earnings going back to help you out. I'm going to close this now and just come back to the calendar. Besides switching the dates, you also have a few of these filters that could help you out, and you could download the data if you wish. If you're looking for stocks just in your watch list, you could create a watch list and just do this to filter out stocks that are coming out with earnings in your watch list. If you're looking for stocks that have confirmed their earnings or announced their earnings, if not the projected stocks that are projected to come out with earnings, preliminary earnings, any stocks that have revisions or guidance. Let's just stay on the announced. If you're looking for stocks that are low price or high price, you could do that as well. If you're looking for stocks that are on average actively trade options, you have that filter here, and you could just change it by time of day as well. Now I'm going to go over the data elements here, and let's just look at this earnings calendar here. You have the symbol, the name of the company. You also have the date. If it's reporting before the market opens or after the market closes, that's important too to know, especially if you have an options position. Once they report the earnings and we get a press release, we put it here. So this one had a press release at 7:30 a.m. If you click on it, it takes you to the press release, so you could read the earnings press release. Then you have the conference call time. This is actually very important as well. Let me just scroll down here and show you this one. So you could see this stock reported earnings before the market opened at 6 a.m. The market opened, and then they had a conference call at 11 a.m. So if you have an options position, or if you just are waiting to get the full impact of that earnings release, you know that at 11 a.m. the management's going to speak, and they could say something that could have like another aftershock or make the stock move even more based on what they say. Then you have a few more analytics here. This expected move here in this column, that's taken from the options markets, and what are the options traders expecting to move in either direction, up or down. It's the magnitude of the move. What are they expecting it once the earnings are released? And next to it over here, this is as a reference point what the previous earnings, what the move was. So you could hover over that, and you just have these two numbers kind of to compare. What are the options traders expecting the move to be very big or very small? And you have the previous move kind of as a reference. And then once they release the earnings and the stock is trading, so if they release it before the market open, after 9:30 a.m. the stock starts trading, we have the actual move here, so you could kind of compare the expected move versus what the actual move was. And then over here you have the options volume, and this allows you to, if you're an options trader, to see how active the options trading is around the stock. Is it very active, or if it's light? And you could sort by these columns. So if you're just looking for the highest option volumes, you could do that as well. If you're looking for average daily volume, you could set that to a minimum. You also have the market cap of the stock, so you could sort by the market cap for very large stocks or lower cap stocks, or if you just wanted to look for the biggest expected move ahead of the earnings, you could sort this way and sort by the actual moves. So this is a really quick tool to help you out as a starting point when you're looking to trade around earnings. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next video.